Hey everyone, if you want to use Docsify without doing heavy coding, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step way to use Docsify with almost no coding in 2026. First, use a pre-built Docsify template. This removes the need to set up everything manually from scratch. Next, you only edit text files. Docsify works with simple markdown, so you just write like a normal document. You can also use online editors like GitHub or browser-based tools. This means you don't need to install heavy software on your computer. Instead of coding everything, just copy ready-made configuration files. This saves a lot of time and reduces errors. Now publish your site using GitHub pages. This allows you to make your Docsify website live without complex setup. You can also customize basic settings like sidebar and theme options. You don't need advanced coding knowledge for this. Finally, just update your text files whenever you want. Your website will automatically reflect changes after refresh. So yeah, that's how you use Docsify without coding. Follow each step carefully, and you can easily build and manage a documentation site. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more tech tutorials for fast and easy guides.